Well, it's Sunday, May 18th. It's my mom's birthday. It's my mama, my birthday, and my dog's birthday as well. So here with the W204 C230, don't pay attention to that, that's out of whack. Check engine light finally went out. Been gone for a few days. I made an appointment to have that checked out. Probably something minor because the car is running just fine, so no problems there. I take off my glasses because I don't need these for driving. So Sunday the 18th, it's a beautiful day in Montreal, isn't it? I'm loving it. It's supposed to be spring weather, summer weather. Well, it's spring/summer weather, but it's like looks like a day of a fall day more than anything else, really. So why doesn't this? I guess they're waiting for the pedestrians, but there aren't any. They have the right of way, of course. There's a huge freaking pothole here in the bottom. I partially caught it. Always trying to avoid it. I want to go the other way. So I have a sporadic light, LED, light emitting diode. Check engine light comes off and off sporadically. It could be a bad spark plug. Could be even a coil pack. Spark plug wire. It could be an oxygen sensor, O2 sensor. Which way are you going, idiot? Every time I turn, no one's giving their signal here. I'm the only one giving my signal. Amazing that happens. I don't know why, but this corner is like that. I want to drive over the water. Was a plate that my sister had on her car like 30 years ago. It said WEE441. So it's like, so we made this joke about it, this meme about it. WEE441. Isn't that awesome? Great. I have to. I want to get some fuel. Fuck. I have company behind me. Gasolina, but I forgot. I'm going down low. Too low for my tastes. I'm gonna go to the park and I got my camera with me. Take some shots, some pictures and some video. I like it when the green is on. I like free flowing. I don't like to stop waiting for the red light. That makes my videos longer, then I have to edit it. Not that a lot of people are watching or care. You know, this guy's crossing like there's no tomorrow. Just coming towards me like nothing. I think if I get too aggressive on the throttle, it's check engine light is gonna pop back on. So try to take it easy. It's beginning to look nice as the grass is turning green finally, and the leaves have finally sprouted. But the day looks gray and ugly. So it's a nice view nonetheless. I mean, it's not perfect, but run over that bird running across the front of the car. I should have gone to this gas station. I just forgot. Had that in my mind, on my mind. I have an appointment Tuesday. Take the car into this small garage, private garage. I'm gonna check some codes to see what's going on with that check engine light. I don't have it on right now, as I mentioned before. It happened like towards the end of winter. I was keeping the car outdoors. I don't usually keep this car outdoors in the winter. I did it because of the Porsche, the 718 Boxster. That had to stay in the garage. So I bought that car and I sold it after 7-8 months. Didn't want to keep it. I would have liked to have kept it, but you know, just circumstantial evidence. Just circumstances doesn't. First of all, I live in a country where it's winter for more than 6 months of the year, so I mean, the car has to stay in storage for 5-6 months. I can't drive it. I get antsy. I was paying for it on a monthly basis. It wasn't I didn't pay cash for that car, obviously. So insurance, license plate, registration, paying for all of that. It's kind of bumming me out in a way. You know what, I'll just park over there. My favorite parking spot is not available. Yes, sir. I just washed this one the other day, so hope it doesn't start raining again. It was raining before. I took my mom to buy some more flowers and some earth, some terra for her flowers. So I have a sporadic check engine light. It's out now, as I mentioned before. What do you want? The car is 16 years old, almost 17 years old, so it's been a month and a half that's been going on, off and on off. We'll check it out. I would like to buy another car, but I can't justify the expense. Or just buy another car and then get rid of this one and only have one. We'll see. This one's doing fine. I mean, it was the least expensive car I ever bought. It was what, 8-9 grand when I bought it. It's going to be July. It will be 5 years I'm holding on to this, so I've had to do some repairs, but it hasn't been too expensive, and aside from that, it's been pretty reliable. So I changed the electronic steering lock. I had to change that. That had to be done at the dealer because hardware is proprietary. The software is also proprietary for Mercedes, so that dealer only thing was $1,000 and a little bit. Changed all 4 brake lines. They were all almost 2 years ago. I changed the ring for the ABS sensor in one of the rims. That through a TPMS, a warning light, tire inflation warning light. ABS wasn't working anymore because of it. brakes, and there was some other faults. So 3 faults because of one ring, ABS ring. What was the other? I don't remember. Changed the oil already 4 or 5 times on this car with liquid moly. We changed filter, cabin filter, B1 service, we've done that. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you watch this video, leave a comment and subscribe. Happy days. Cheers.